Hello everyone! On this channel, I'm gonna teach you how you can cook like a professional chef, even at home. I'm chef for 8 years now. I used to work in Michelin-star restaurant in London and I know the beautiful places around the world, and now it's time to share my experiences with you. I'm Chef Majk, and on this channel I'm gonna teach you Michelin-star techniques and find any recipes you can cook for your customers or your family. So if you like what I just said, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you're never gonna miss any of my new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon.